If you wanna apply as a factory worker here in Taiwan, this video is definitely for you. Hi everyone, my name is Jelly Bensi. Isa akong FET dito sa Taiwan. For today's video, let's talk about how to apply as a factory worker and what are the requirements that you need to prepare before you apply. Para doon sa mga hindi pa nakakaalam, dati akong factory worker dito sa Taiwan last 2019 to 2022. So, ang agency na nagpaalis sa akin sa Pinas, papunta dito sa Taiwan, ay ang Workforce International Agency. Ang dati nilang pangalan ay Worldwiser. So, located sila dyan sa Malate. Pwede nyo pong isearch ang kanilang Facebook page, pero I believe hindi sila masyadong active sa Facebook. Before you apply, please make sure that you have complete requirements because some of the agencies, they will not really entertain you, not unless you have complete requirements, especially your passport, your UMID, and then your NBI clearance. I will just flash here the complete requirements. Paki-screenshot na lang sa inyong phone para may reference po kayo. And I believe madami tayong followers dito na mga factory workers. Paki-comment naman po sa ating comment section kung ano yung agency na tumulong sa inyo para makapunta dito sa Taiwan. Yan lamang po for today's vlog. Bye!